BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 60 of season 3. Today's word is hypothetical. The meaning of hypothetical is imagined or suggested, but not necessarily real or true. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word hypothetical. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Hypothetical is spelled as HYPOTHETICAL. Writing essays is an important aspect of developing the writing skill. Many a times, students are asked to write essays based on hypothetical situations. This also helps to develop their creativity and imagination. Listen carefully how we can use the word hypothetical in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Mr. Nanavati was a renowned, means famous advocate. He submitted an appeal before the judge with a long argument. The judge, however, rejected the appeal. This was because the judgment does not consider any hypothetical scenarios or any imaginary situations. Example number 2 of 8. Kanad is a bright student. He scores good marks in his examinations. But his teachers complain that he asks too many hypothetical questions. Don't you think his habit shows his curious mind? Example number 3 of 8. Some people want to know if there is life in the universe outside the earth. We refer to such creatures from space as aliens. Time and again, there are debates whether aliens will attack the earth or even come on the earth. As of now, this seems to be a hypothetical question. What are your views on this? Do mention in the comments box. Example number 4 of 8. The Kerala Medicine Company recently held its shareholders' meeting. The shareholders expressed concern whether the entry of multinational pharma companies in India will affect its business. The CEO of the company said that this is a hypothetical threat and no negative impact was expected. Do you know, when you speak English fluently and confidently, it opens new career opportunities, enhances your confidence, builds your socializing skills, and helps you become a global citizen. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. A hypothetical report is sometimes spread in media by business rivals to spoil the image of a competitor. This may reduce the number of customers of the company. If this happens, the target company must issue clarifications to its customers stating the truth. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. We all know that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So maintaining a good healthy body should be a top priority for us. But beware of all the hypothetical advices given on social media. Instead, consult your doctor and follow his recommendations. Isn't that a pragmatic thing to do? What is the meaning of pragmatic? Well, we have already covered it in one of the past podcasts. Those who are listening regularly and attentively will know what it means. Isn't it? Example number 7 of 8. Till the 15th century, people hypothetically believed that the sun revolves around the earth. However, a scientist Copernicus proved that the earth revolves around the sun. Unfortunately, he was not appreciated during his lifetime. Example number 8 of 8. We are aware that group discussion and personal interview are part of the recruitment process. Often, hypothetical questions are asked in such sessions to test the confidence and thinking ability of the candidates. The candidate must be well prepared to face such questions. Isn't that true? Today we learnt the word hypothetical, which means imagined or suggested, but not necessarily real or true. Can you frame 3 sentences with hypothetical and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 60 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.